Let your heart be your compass. It's always listening to your feelings. Yes, at this very moment. Be still and listen actively. Butterfly. It is a symbol of transformation, hope, and fate. The butterfly is also a symbol of rebirth. It goes through so many life cycles. Dinosaur. It symbolizes strength, power, resilience, and our ability to evolve and adapt to whatever lies ahead, as well as a reminder to stay true to yourself and trust your chosen path. Dragon. I was told long ago to deal with the dragons, life's challenges, face to face, with courage and determination. It can also be a symbol of evil, supernatural power, wisdom, strength, and hidden knowledge, chaos, and untamed nature. Giraffe. Stand tall and solid with confidence. Grounded. Believe in yourself. Let no one tear you down. You are unique and deserving of love and respect. It symbolizes peace, gentleness, and sincerity. Hands. Long ago, I was reminded that I could be anything I wanted to be. My future is in my hands. In May 2017, I decided to retire to go back to school. So far, I have completed 4 associates and 5 certifications at Palomar College. Lion. We are resilient, strong, and courageous beings. Inner strength is always there. Believe with your heart and soul. It symbolizes courage, nobility, royalty, strength, stateliness, and valor. Tiger. We all possess internal, powerful energy. When push comes to shove, our survival mode gets triggered and propels us into action. 2 or more negatives can be converted into positive force, strong enough to exercise 3 choices: accept, remove, or change, ARC. We always have a choice and never stuck. We have a voice. It symbolizes dignity, ferocity, sternness, courage, and positive energy. Unicorn. There are positive forces beyond my reach and understanding. However, I must be willing to pay attention to the signs and listen with my heart. Good and bad things happen for reasons not yet understood. I choose to accept what is at present time and see the beauty, the good, and the lessons I still need to learn. It symbolizes purity, innocence, and power. Your happier life is in your hands. Listen and pay attention to your heart. It will always let you know what is the right thing to do. Life is a daily grind. What do you need to do for yourself today? It is quite all right to be kind to yourself.